This is what you're going to need. You're going to need a little plastic baggie, Ziploc or a sandwich bag. The sandwich bags are actually a little easier. You need a magnet. Any magnet will do. Fridge magnet. The stronger the better, but fridge magnets work just fine. You're going to need some kind of collection capture device here, a soil scoop. I just have a measuring cup, a quarter cup. About this size is fine. You could get a bigger one, but you can just take a couple scoops with this one. You don't want to get too much. And then some container as well if you need to get bigger samples, as I'll show you in a minute. The first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to locate your downspouts. Now, these are pretty easy to find on my house, but for some of you it's going to be a little harder, and I'll get into other ideas for where you can look in those kinds of locations. So just look up at your roof line and find out where the rainwater is coming down and see where it exits to. I've focused on this one here because, as you can see, I have this black tubing which helps siphon the water off out down into the driveway. And this is going to be a great place to look. So let me show you how we do this. So with one of these, what you're going to do is you're going to want to get your bigger collection tube here, and then you're just going to want to dump as much stuff as you can that falls out of here into your bigger collection bucket right here. Simple as that. And already I got a bunch of stuff. If the downspout goes into a grassy area, that's perfect. What you're going to do is you're going to want to go down into this the area where it empties, and you're going to want to scoop a little sample of soil out of here. Okay, next. Well, now we're going to try and find the actual micrometeorites in here, or at least potential micrometeorites. You're going to take your little baggie, you're going to turn it inside out. And you're going to take your magnet, and you're going to put the magnet inside the bag. And then you're going to take your sample in a slightly larger container so you can kind of move the magnet around inside. And you're going to take your magnet, you're going to place your sample inside. And for me, I'm just going to move my magnet through fairly gently, because if I'm too rough with it, each little micrometeorite is just going to fall off with every pass through the material. And then I'm going to lift it up. As you can see, I've already collected certain magnetic materials. Right there, you see? So now, just because they're magnetic doesn't mean they're meteorites. The next bit here, be gentle. You're going to want to try and turn the bag inside out. And again, this is why the Ziploc bags aren't great, because it's a little harder to get it back inside the right way out again. The sandwich bags are better. And now, when I remove this magnet, all of the material that was collected by the magnet has stayed inside the bag. If you just go diving in there with the magnet itself, it's going to be really hard to get that stuff off of the magnet. Now I've collected my magnetic materials. I can zip up my bag and I'm good to go.